Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is about this style, which is the knotless crochet goddess box braids, which I think came out so great. This is my first time doing this style. It was super easy. I did it in like maybe 2 hours tops, and I'm just going to show you guys how I do it in the tutorial on 2 of the braids. Let me know what you guys think about the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell and become a part of the family, and leave comments below. Let me guys know what you guys think, and I think it looks good. Yeah. All right, and just so that you guys know, I use this braiding hair to do the style, 1B. And I had some leftover crochet deep twist hair, and that's why I thought about adding it into the bottom. I'm only use 1 pack of the deep twist, and I have a tutorial on how I did a full crochet style with the deep twist hair, which I loved as well. But yeah, so this should be, you know, a style that anyone can try for your first time. You don't need to be a professional braider, and it's so easy. Crochet hook, then you should be fine. And as long as you like do braids, that's all you need to know how to do. It's so easy. Stay tuned for the video, guys. Thank you. All right, guys, so we're getting to it. I've already done pretty much my entire head. I only left like these 2 pieces. I apologize for the noise in the background. That's my son, because we are quarantining, so he is here. But yeah, so I'm filming this on a Wednesday afternoon while my daughter is asleep, because I have a 2-year-old and a 8-month-old, and that's him out there. Yeah, so let's get to it, guys. So this style we're doing, basically I did all over, is the knotless crochet box braids. And I did the goddess style where I have like the ends with the water wave like hair down at the bottom of it. I add into it, and I'm going to show you guys step by step how I achieved the look. Let's get into it. So basically what I did, this is gonna work. All right, guys, so this takes the place of the rubber band method, which I think this is a lot better. You basically just braid your hair, and I would say like maybe like 2 inches down, and you can just leave the rest of it out. So that's basically what I did to every single piece. I braided it and left like the rest of it out. So what you're gonna do, I take the hair, and I'm not using that much because, you know, I don't really like big braids too much. You know, that's not really me. So I just separate the hair because it didn't come pre-stretched. Now what I do is very weird, because I haven't seen anyone else do this. So, but it helps me to make this look like seamless, because I don't know how those people like really get this like to kind of transition from the braid into the water wave. So what I do is I've been cutting it. Pretty much all that off. So I'm really just using this to do the braid, and I've been wrapped around my finger. I get my hooking needle, and I basically just go through it, and I hook on the hair, close the tool, and that's it. So simple. And then what I do, I pull only 1 part of the hair through. So this is basically what you have here. All right. I don't know if you guys saw that. I'll show you one more time on the second one, because I'm only doing 2 just to show you guys. All right. And so basically I'm just gonna kind of separate the hair to start the braid. I put my hair in the middle piece. All right. So that's how we do. Got this. Got my 3 sections. And you're just gonna braid down. That's basically it. All right, so here we go. I braided it down. All right, guys. So when you get to this point, I braided down to like here, like this much. I have my hair. Basically, I have 3 pieces here. I put the hair in the middle of like this piece and this piece. Those two. The middle and the end. Okay? The middle and the end. And this is how people feed the hair through. This is how they add it in. So basically I take that one part that didn't have any hair added in and I flip it over that middle piece. Then I flip over that end piece that was. And I'm basically just like adding it through. So easy. Oh my God. And I figured that out on my own. Yes, so it's so easy. All right, so here we go. This is what we have so far. I've gotten down to the end of the actual braiding hair, and now the extension hair, the water wave crochet hair, is already added in. So perfect. We're at that point. But this is where you get to where you need to lock it in. So what I did was I took one of the pieces of the curly hair and I'm basically going to use that to tie a knot around the hair. Alright guys, so you see that? I tied a knot with the extension hair. Tied a knot. I'm going to do this 3 times to kind of secure the hair so it won't open up and unravel. There we go. All right, that's number 3. I could leave it like this, but this hair is so silky it will come apart. So this is the part that is very important if you want this style to last. I stick my crochet needle through the end of the hair. See that? I get that piece that I've been tying, lock it, and I feed it back through the hair. All right, there we go. And I just create it like that. And now I have like some pieces that look just crazy at the end and finish. All right guys, so this is the last one. Here we go. All right, I'm gonna do it a lot slower this time, just so you can really get this, okay? All right, I think it looks good. All right, I'm just separating the hair and I'll show you guys how much of it that I'm using for the braid. All right, like this much, that's it. All right, and again, I'm gonna do the same thing I did last time. Kind of cut it. All right, so this is all that I'm using here. There we go. All right, again, wrap it around my finger just so I'll be able to put it through crochet needle pretty good. So we're going to put it through the braid, loop it onto the needle, close it, pull it through, take it off of the needle, look at the loop, but only pull one end of the hair and kind of size it up so it'll be the same length. That's it, okay? That's it. All right, once again, when I'm getting my 3 pieces to start the braid, I put my hair in the middle piece, and there we go. And since this is a boho style, you know, it doesn't have to be a perfect braid. we're gonna do it again as far as I got my 3 pieces of hair. I got 1, 2, 3, okay? And we only right now gonna be working, this is the hair. I'm about to feed it through. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did that. All right, so I'm only using the middle piece and the end piece. And I just put it, I just hold it. I put it, that one piece here and the other piece with the end piece. So the middle and the end. The piece that doesn't have any hair, I'm basically just gonna flip it over the middle piece, but still hold that end piece because you gotta kind of, it's not, you know, secure yet. That piece, and then this one, and then continue to braid. Now that it should be in there pretty good, you don't really have to worry about holding it. And this happens, this hair, you know, gets all tangled at the ends and stuff like that. All right, now that we've gotten down to the end where that didn't have the added curly hair, it's pretty much can't be braided anymore. This is the time to go ahead and do that knot. All right. Okay, so I'll put all that together now. I get a small piece, and we can flatten this out, small piece, and we're gonna tie it. We gotta secure that. We're gonna tie it. All right, and again, I'm gonna do it 3 times. So this is the third and final time that I'm tying a knot around it. Like, okay, so I stuck the crochet needle through the end of the braid. I latch on the piece that I've been tying around the hair to make that knot, to secure it, close it, and bring it back through. And that's it. Alrighty, guys, that's it. Look at the back. And don't judge my parts. I couldn't see. Everyone in my house was asleep, so I had to do the best that I could. You know, I have 2 kids, 2 under 2, and my husband was asleep with them, and I started doing this at like, I was at like 10 o'clock at night, and I was done within like 2 to 3 hours. Guys, leave comments below if you have any questions. Please let me know what you guys think about the style, and things that maybe I can improve in that you guys see that I'm doing wrong. I would love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, guys.